Hey loves, welcome back to my channel.
You don't know what love is if you told it a million times. And you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. I swear you never seen it.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. What's good? Today I'm going to be doing my bob style passion twists. I love this style so much because when my hair was longer I used to always rock twists. But basically in this video I'm going to show you the type of hair that I bought, how I prepped the hair, the products that I used, and the method that I did for twisting my hair because I know everyone has their own method, but that's about it. I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end. Like, comment, and subscribe to the family. Hit the notification bell button so you're notified every time that I post a video. You don't want to miss out. And yeah, let's get into it. So here are all the things that I use besides leave-in conditioner. I have my rubber bands to help with any gripping problems that I might have. I have that for my sealant to just lock in the moisture. I refrain from putting both the edge control and that petroleum-based oil on my scalp because of buildup and all that stuff. And then a rat tail comb to just help with parting. And yeah. Okay, so you're probably like, what the hell is this? This is apple cider vinegar mixed with water. This is what I usually do nowadays whenever I'm putting in braids or twists, just to strip the hair of any of the chemicals that are on it, which honestly I feel like is what causes my scalp to be really itchy after I get my hair done. So this has been my lifesaver ever since I've watched videos on this. I'm like, okay, and then I tried it and it worked. However, you can kind of see some of the apple cider, I don't know what this is, the part of the apple cider vinegar that is at the bottom of the bottle. Yeah, it's pretty harmless. Just like try not to get it into your basin like me. I also don't have any measurements. I just kind of eyeball it whenever I'm throwing in the apple cider vinegar and the water together. And I also would like to say that I basically wash it like this for about a minute, and then I get fresh water and wash it 2 to 3 times until I feel like it's cleaner than it was before, because you guys could see in the other bowl it was like cloudy because of all the chemicals coming off of the hair. So I basically do this and you can tell that the water is clear as day, like all that junk is off of it. So I just let it dry for about an hour or so. This is preferred to do like the day before you know you're gonna do your hair, but you know me, I just do the day of. But yeah, that's basically what I do. This is super optional. I just do it because my scalp is super sensitive, and I think this is the only problem that was happening with my scalp in particular. So now it's time to start twisting, and I actually completed most of my hair as I usually do, but I'm going to show you guys about 2 or 3 times how I do my passion twist. So the hair that I got was already in a crochet style, so I had to unravel all of them, which is a little bit of a time-consuming part of this process, but I unraveled them and they were kind of thin in my opinion, so I grouped 2 of the strands together. You'll see that in a second. So the process is very similar to like starting a braid. So that's usually how I do my twist. I start with a braid and braid down like 3 to 4 times. You can probably do less than that, but I did that and then I start twisting it. And it's also helpful to have like one of those clips so that when you do start twisting, your hair doesn't start twisting with it, and you'll see what I mean in a second. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is, I like to say my hair is the third strand and the twisting hair is the first and second strand. So basically you're going to put the first strand under or over the second, and then the third one's going to go in under that. And it's kind of like starting a box braid basically. If you're unsure of how to do this, I would suggest you go check out my beginner box braid video. It's super helpful in trying to achieve this. This is how I start my twists, and you don't have to braid it down that much, but that's what I did there. I probably won't do that ever again because I don't really like how that looks, but yeah, it's kind of just a learning process. And then I clip it so that when I start twisting, my hair doesn't start twisting on itself. And once you do it, you'll know what I mean, but it's very helpful. So that is it for this video, guys. Super short and sweet, super easy. If you have any questions for me, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next hair video or whatever video I post next. And yeah.